When you open the Trading Bot section on Bybit, you'll see several automated trading tools. At first glance, there may seem to be a lot of them, but each bot is designed for a specific strategy. If you're not sure where to start, you can take a short quiz at the top of the page. Answer a few questions, and Bybit will suggest the most suitable bot. Now let's briefly go over each of them. The first is the Futures Grid Bot. This is one of the most popular bots on the platform. It automatically buys and sells an asset within a specified price range, allowing you to profit from market fluctuations. The second is the Futures Martingale Bot. It uses a position averaging strategy. If the market moves against the trade, the bot gradually increases the position size, lowering the average entry price. The potential profit is higher, but so are the risks. Third is the Combo Bot. It automatically allocates capital across multiple assets and maintains the selected portfolio structure. A good option for more conservative long-term investing. Fourth is the Spot Grid Bot. It works on the same principle as the futures grid, but without leverage. The bot automatically buys low and sells high within a selected range, making it ideal for beginners and trading in a sideways market. Fifth is the TradFi Bot. It allows you to automate investments not only in cryptocurrencies, but also in traditional financial instruments. And lastly, the DCA Bot. It operates using a dollar-cost averaging strategy. You set the amount and frequency of purchases, and the bot automatically invests funds on a schedule, making it an excellent choice for long-term savings. Now let's take a closer look at the Futures Grid Bot, as it's the one most often used by beginner traders thanks to its successful combination of automation, flexible settings, and potential returns. On the Bybit homepage, hover over the Tools section, then open Trading Bot. A panel with all available strategies will appear. Select Futures Grid and click Create. Next, you'll need to choose a trading pair. In my example, I'm using BTC/USDT, but you can select any perpetual USDT pair supported by the exchange. After that, decide on the trading direction. There are three options available: neutral, long, and short. Neutral mode is designed for a sideways market. If you expect the price to rise, select long. If you predict a decline, short mode is the right choice. The next step is to choose a configuration method. Bybit offers two options: AI strategy and manual. If you choose the AI-based strategy, the exchange will automatically calculate the key parameters: the trading price range, the number of grids, and the recommended leverage. All you need to do is specify the investment amount and launch the bot. Manual mode offers significantly more flexibility. Here, you manually set the upper and lower limits of the price range within which the bot will open trades. Next, you select the number of price levels. The more levels there are, the more frequently the bot will be able to execute trades. However, the profit from each individual trade will be smaller. On Bybit, you can set between 200 and 400 price levels. Next, you set the leverage from 1 times to 50 times. Remember that increasing leverage not only boosts potential profits, but also raises the risk of position liquidation. Finally, you specify the investment amount. The system will immediately display your available balance below. If necessary, you can top up your account or transfer funds between wallets from here. You should pay special attention to the advanced settings. Here you can set the price at which the bot will start trading, enable automatic range adjustment in response to market movements, and set take profit and stop loss levels. These parameters are key to effectively managing risk and protecting your capital. Once you've finished configuring the settings, click Create. The exchange will automatically debit the specified amount from your investment account, after which the bot will immediately begin trading according to the selected strategy. Now let's briefly go over how to create a Spot Grid Bot. If you want to trade without leverage and with more moderate risks, the Spot Grid Bot is an excellent choice. Just like with the Futures Bot, the first step is to select a trading pair. For example, BTC/USDT, ETH/USDT, or any other spot pair supported by the exchange. Next, you need to choose between the AI strategy or manual setup. If you choose an AI-powered strategy, Bybit will automatically suggest the optimal price range, number of grids, and other parameters based on the current market conditions. If you choose manual configuration, you set the main strategy parameters yourself. First, specify the upper and lower limits of the price range, within which the bot will automatically buy the asset at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. Next, select the number of grid levels. The more levels there are, the more frequently the bot will be able to execute trades. However, the profit from each individual trade will be smaller. With fewer grid levels, trades will occur less frequently, but the potential profit per cycle will be higher. Next, specify the investment amount that the bot will use for trading. These funds will be automatically distributed across all grid levels. If necessary, you can access the advanced settings. Here, you can set the bot to start at a specified price and configure take profit and stop loss levels. Once all settings are ready, click Create. Once launched, the Spot Grid bot will automatically place buy and sell orders within the selected price range. That's it. Now you know which trading bots are available on Bybit, how they differ, and how to create both a futures grid bot and a spot grid bot on your own. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to click the bell icon so you don't miss new crypto exchange reviews and helpful guides on cryptocurrency trading. Thanks for watching. I wish you successful trading, great trades, and see you in the next video.